Bartlett's Tree Management Service and Software. Are you responsible for the care and preservation of trees on your site? If so, you know what an overwhelming task it can be to try to manage your landscape needs, especially if you don't have the right information. Reacting to storm damage, tracking of budgets, requesting asset values, and especially meeting sustainability goals can be inefficient or even impossible without proper management information provided through tree inventory data and a working tree management plan. A tree management plan can help with budgeting, property safety requirements, as well as contribute to site sustainability. Bartlett Inventory Solutions, BIS, developed by the laboratories at Bartlett Tree Experts, conducts the research upon which Bartlett's Tree Management Service is based. The BIS team, trained using cutting-edge, industry-leading technology, is made up of the most credentialed experts performing inventories today, giving you the confidence to make informed decisions on your landscape. BIS uses 5 steps to develop a proactive management plan that prioritizes work, helps to identify and mitigate risks, and monitors results. All important functions with today's decreasing budgets and increased focus on the environment and sustainability. Using mapping-grade GPS data that shows the recorded location of each tree in an inventory, you have an easily accessible and updatable management plan that empowers you to know what needs to be done and when, and also helps you budget for any required care. ArborScope is a web-based management software developed by Bartlett Tree Experts for use by tree care managers to manage the tree and shrub assets on their properties. The mobile-optimized software is the latest in sustainable high-tech landscape management that systematically tracks and plans for your maintenance needs through a secure interface with flexible filtering options that allow you to view your entire property or specific trees based upon age, height, condition, and more. Tree details provided through ArborScope include information for tree risk management and mitigation, work history, tree and shrub work prioritization, recommendations, estimated asset values of trees and environmental services, and tree imagery. Management tools are also available for administering users, reporting, and creating and sharing of custom tree information for education and dedication programs. Contact us today to let us show you why more professionals are turning to Bartlett Tree Experts to help manage their tree needs. Contact us for a consultation and see the difference for yourself.